Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your BMW X3 radio. Before we begin, it is important to gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle's ignition and disconnecting the battery. This simple preparation helps prevent any electrical issues during the process, ensuring a smooth and secure removal. Next, we will focus on removing the dash trim. Start by gently prying out the top air vent using your plastic trim tool. It is usually held by clips. Then, carefully remove the radio bezel, which often integrates the climate control panel. You will find several electrical connectors on the back of these pieces. Disconnect them by pressing their release tabs before fully removing the trim. Now, let's get to the radio unit itself. You will typically find two Phillips head screws securing the radio to the dashboard. Remove these carefully. Once unscrewed, gently slide the radio unit forward, allowing access to the rear connections. Disconnect the antenna cable by pressing its small locking clip, and then release the main electrical harness by squeezing its tab and pulling the lever. With the radio removed, you can now proceed with your desired upgrade or repair. Before installing a new unit or reassembling, inspect all connections and check the radio's fuse for any issues. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all trim pieces and the radio are securely fastened. Finally, reconnect your vehicle's battery, and you are all set to enjoy your updated system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.